Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. So in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. That means we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over x next to y. That is for integrating factor. So the integration of 1 over x, we have ln x. Later that the negative will go inside about natural law in here. And we have 1 over x. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over x. The integration of this one, we have secant of x. And I will put about c. Next, we know that this one that is about 1 over cosine x. Now, we multiply both sides by x. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.